Hi there, and welcome to Johnny's Projects. Today we're building a DIY electronic robot bank. Now, just attaching four walls there, another one there right now. They're slid in place. Make a little slit for a mouth. Now we're putting a top on. There we go. Now we need to put a bottom piece on. There we go, and that's glued on. And it opens and closes. There's a little spindle here that's just going to go right inside. And one side there. Now we got to add a handle here. And there's another one on the other side. Perfect, now it's all glued in place. Now we're gonna add a little motor inside there that'll attach to the spindle. Some wiring there. And this is pieces for the coin. That's going to be attached. And the back's all together. And a battery connection. Now I'm going to put a base on there. And just like that. And now we're going to put some eyes there and nose. There we go, all done. Works like a charm. Thank you very much for watching Johnny's Projects.